everyone. I know that we've promised we will do a live demonstration of the 144 rules of court here. This is relevant for those who are taking up law, who are about to take up the bar exam or retake the bar exam. But this is simply a showcase, not only for law students, but for those who are taking up different courses that would demand a lot of recall and retention of information. Now, I'm going to showcase to you about the building of mental cabinets. Coach Amy, if you all know, if some of you may know, this is my story. I am also not a very diligent student, or sometimes even if how much I try to study, it would not retain the information because they said that my brain is too abstract or that my interest is different. So I took up nursing in the year 2004. 2005, I did seek for help. And that's why I encountered power memory. So in 2005, as a second year college student, I knew that my sciences were challenging. I was not really born with the ability to love science, but I had to fall in love with science because it's required in my course. So I resorted to this, and lo and behold, after years, I was able to surpass the challenge. I was able to finish and became a registered nurse. And the techniques became my edge in academics. At the same time, it helped me advance in my professional career. That's why at the age of 27, I went back to Philippines and opened I bought the rights to teach power memory, and now it is known to be Brain Train School of Positivity. I am not here, or I did not enroll myself to law school and just to showcase, hey, I'm very smart. No, but I was there because I want to make sure that I'm able to help accurately and efficiently my students who seek for our intervention as a memory enhancement training center, at the same time a brain training center. So if you think that you're going to come to us and ask you for help, that doesn't mean you're weak, or that doesn't mean that you're never good enough. That only means and shows that you are willing to invest and discover the true language of the brain. So I'm not just going to teach it and just promote it and just encourage you. I have to also walk my talk. And this is a really very challenging on my end. I'm supposed to be doing this earlier, but what happened is that I had an emergency meeting again for my other business. But now I'm here. It's not too late, but I'm going to show you the retention. I did process this yesterday, so if you go to my personal page, Amy Grace Gargar, you would see there that I performed yesterday, and I was able to test drive the information that was processed. And the whole day of today, I also have meetings. I'm running an international recruitment agency, and it's very demanding as of the moment because it's about to open the borders. So why am I telling all of you this? The circumstance. Because I don't want you to think, oh, this is rehearsed. No, this is the application of the techniques, and I'm going to test drive the retention. How much information will I retain in the 144 rules of court, their titles? Can I give it back accurately? This is the final. That's why this is a make or break. I am also testing the skills. Is there really retention? Because that's what we need. It's not how much we understood what we've studied, but how much we remember of the things that we've encountered, right? So not everyone is gifted with the photographic memory, but I am telling you, it can be trained. There's no such thing as good or bad memory, only trained and untrained ones. If the brain was the one who invented computers, can the brain function like a computer? So I'm willing to risk. This is Coach Amy, the senior coach of Brain Train School of Positivity, and I'm ready to accept the challenge. 144 rules of court. Thank you. So I'll be blindfolded. Make sure the room is very silent. You would know that there's no coaching. My ears, I don't have any headphones and everything. I am shaking because this is really done live. So this is a make or break. We are testing retention. I did this yesterday. Let's see if I can retain the information. And it's not chronological order. They will challenge how fast I can recall the rule number and even give back what is the title or provision for that rule. Okay? And we know how essential this is for law students. Okay? I'm ready. Coach Presley's with us and Coach Juby to facilitate, to make sure. And Coach Angel is the one taking the video. I hope I have the good angle and everyone can see the screen. Okay, she will give it to me randomly.
Okay.
Yeah, I hope you can feel how cold I am right now.
Okay, Coach, ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's browse all the rules first. Let's start from 1 until 144. Ready, Coach? I'll
Ready.
do it at random. Let's try. What is the rule number having the title Legal Fees?
Legal fees is 1 for 1.
Okay, disbarment and discipline of attorneys is what rule number?
Disbarment and discipline of attorneys is 139. That's 139B.
Okay, how about for 139A?
139A is that's Integrated Bar of the Philippines.
Very good. Okay, law student practice rule.
Law student practice rule is 138A.
Correct.
Yeah.
Applicability of the rules.
Applicability of the rules is 143.
Correct. Let's have
Above.
weight and sufficiency of evidence.
Oh my gosh. Weight
And sufficiency of evidence.
and sufficiency of evidence, that's 133.
Correct. Disqualification of judicial officers.
Disqualification of judicial officers is Rule 137.
Correct. Presentation of evidence.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Presentation evidence is 132.
Correct. Let's try. Judgment is what number?
Judgment.
Yes.
Just judgment.
Yes.
That's Rule 120.
Correct. Provisional remedies in criminal cases.
Provisional remedies in criminal cases 127.
Correct. Procedure in municipal trial court.
Procedure in municipal trial court is 123.
Correct. Let's have right of accused.
Right of accused is 115.
How about for 116?
116 is arraignment and plea.
Correct. Let's have absentees.
Absentees, that's going to be Rule 107.
Correct. Prosecution of offenses.
Prosecution of offenses is Rule 110.
Correct. How about for voluntary dissolution of corporations?
Voluntary dissolution of corporation is 104.
Correct. How about for trustees?
Trustees is that's 98.
Correct. Rescission and revocation of adoption.
Rescission and revocation of adoption is 100.
Correct. How about for Rule 102?
Rule 102 is habeas corpus.
Correct. How about for Rule 94?
Rule 94 is bonds of guardian.
Very good. How
Guardians.
about for
Guardians.
guardians? Correct.
That's correct.
Termination of guardianship is rule number?
97.
Correct. How about for distribution and partition of the estate?
That's 90.
Correct. What is rule number 89?
Rule number 89 is, that's so long! Sales, mortgage, and other encumbrances, property descent.
Correct.
Of property descent.
Correct. Let's have,
Sorry, I'm just
what is rule number 82?
Rule number 82. Whew. That's revocation of administrator.
Hmm?
Correct.
Correct.
There's more. Death resignation, and removal of executors and administrators.
Correct. How about for letters testamentary and of administration when and to whom issued? Is rule number?
Documents or things.
Correct.
Number 26.
Correct.
Number 26 is admission by adverse parties.
Correct.
Okay, my number 25 is interrogatories to parties.
Correct.
Number 24 is deposition before action or pending
Correct.
appeals. Very good. Okay, very good.
23.
My gosh, you don't understand. Number 3 is deposition.
23.
23. 23 is deposition pending action.
Correct.
Number 22, Computation of time.
Correct.
Number 21. 21 is new trial or reconsideration.
Not yet. 21 is? Let's skip this one first.
No. I have it. 21. Wait. Sorry, I'm wrong. Number 21 is subpoena.
Correct.
Number 21 is subpoena. Number 20 is calendar of cases. Number 19 is intervention.
Correct.
Number 18, pre-trial.
Correct.
Number 17 is dismissal of actions.
Correct.
Number 16 is motion to dismiss.
Correct.
Number 15 is why are you there? Motion.
Correct.
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 I'm correct.
Correct.
Motion. 14 summons. Number 13 filing of orders.
Not yet.
13.
File.
Sorry. Filing orders.
And?
Filing and orders.
No.
Filing of pleading.
Yes, but there is a word before that.
Filing
And?
and pleading orders.
Service.
Sorry. Joke. Filing of service. Filing of service pleadings to judges.
Let's skip that one first.
No, I can do that. I can do this.
Yes.
Pleadings. Filing of pleadings. Sorry, I'm still second year student. Just my first sem. I don't have business with the rules of court yet, but I will do this, okay? Of judges and other papers.
Judgments.
And other papers.
Correct. 12.
Number 12, Bill of Particulars.
Correct.
Number 11, when to file responsive pleadings.
Correct.
Number 10, amended supplemental pleadings.
Correct.
Number 9, effects of failure to plead.
Correct.
Number 8, oh my gosh. This is long. Manner of making allegations. Allegations.
And?
In pleadings.
Correct.
Number 7, part and contents of pleadings.
Correct.
Number 6, kinds of pleadings.
Correct.
Number 5, uniform procedure of trial courts. Number 4, venue of actions. Number 3, parties to civil actions.
Correct. Number 2.
Number 2, cause of actions. Number 1, general provisions.
Okay, coach. I'll challenge you more.
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Give me the rules from numbers 110 until 127.
Because you know that's our lesson. Yeah, I'm doing criminal procedure. Let me try.
Ready?
Okay, let me try. Number 10, 110 is prosecution of offenses. 111 is prosecution of civil action.
Correct.
Okay. Number 112 is preliminary investigation. Number 113 is arrest. 114 is bail. 115 is rights of the accused.
Correct.
116 arraignment and plea. 117 motion to squash. 118 pre-trial. 119 trial. 120 is judgment. 121 new trial or consideration. That's why I got confused with the 21 there. So it's 121. 122 is appeal.
Correct.
123 is appeal for from.
No, it's not appeal.
Joke. Appeals from?
Let's skip 1, 2,
Oh, no,
3.
no, 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 no. I can do this. From municipal trial court,
Yes.
procedure.
Yes.
Procedure from,
In?
procedure in municipal trial court.
Correct.
1, 2, 4, procedure in Court of Appeals.
Correct.
1, 2, 5, procedure in Supreme Court. 1, 2, 6, search and seizure, and 1, 2, 7 is provisional remedies in criminal cases.
Wow.
My God.
Okay.
I did it. It's
Yes.
okay.
So,
We covered from 1 to 144.
yes.
You want to give me random first? Still what random numbers?
Okay. Yeah, let's try. Claims against a state.
Just 5, huh? Okay. Claims?
Against a state.
Against the state. I know claims against the state. It's number... claims against a state is number 86.
Correct, correct. Let's try. Production of will, allowance of will necessary. Production of will, allowance of will necessary.
75.
Correct.
75.
Let's have subject matter and applicability of general rules.
72.
Correct. Let's try foreclosure of real estate mortgage.
68.
Okay, so this is the item that you missed. Certiorari, prohibition, and mandibus is what rule number?
65.
Correct, you found it. Let's try declaratory, relief, and similar remedies.
63.
Correct. Coach, last 3. Let's try receivership.
59.
Correct. Let's have preliminary conference.
48.
Correct. Last one. Let's have, wait. Execution, satisfaction, and effect of judgment is rule number?
39.
Yeah.
I got it! Thank you so
Wow.
much! Okay, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, thank you so much for this. Yes, and we will do a Zoom live again. Sorry. We'll do a Zoom live to check if there's still retention. Just one more, and we'll have it live on Zoom. Okay? This is just to show you that there's flashed here, so that when you see the Zoom, it's more clearer, the words are more clearer, and it's more better. Okay? So you'll see you in 10 more minutes. Thank you.